Well, it is time now for our business update. We will be starting with news on crypto exchange Binance and the ongoing fallout from founder Changpeng Zhao's guilty plea. To do that, we have Cammy Knight in studio with us.
Hi, Sharon. That's right. He stepped down on Tuesday and he does face potential prison time, which has really sent shockwaves throughout the crypto industry. And the multi-billion-dollar question now is, can Binance survive all of this? Founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao, along with others, are accused of failing to implement an effective anti-money laundering program and of willfully violating US economic sanctions. The crypto exchange agreed to pay $4.3 billion, which US Attorney General Merrick Garland qualified as one of the largest penalties we have ever obtained. Now, as a result of that, Binance has seen outflows of more than $1 billion in the past 24 hours. And that figure doesn't even include Bitcoin. That's according to data from blockchain and analysis firm Nansen, who did note, however, that it can't be qualified as a mass exodus of funds. Binance does remain the world's largest crypto exchange globally and processes billions of dollars in trading volume every year. Nansen says assets of more than $65 billion remain, so it's likely to withstand the rush of investors away from the platform. Calls to boycott Israel are illegal in several Western countries, but campaigns in the Arab and Muslim world are picking up. Israel does relatively little trade with Arab countries, its largest trading partners being the European Union, the US and China. So it's US and international brands like Coca-Cola and Starbucks that are being targeted by Arab consumers. Oliver Farry has more.
A McDonald's outlet in Giza lies empty as customers stay away. The fast food chain is being targeted by Egyptians angry at reports its Israeli franchise gave free meals to the Israeli military. It's one of several companies believed, rightly or wrongly, to be supportive of Israel's operations in Gaza.
It's fundamental to, at the very least, stop buying the products that help the Zionist entity kill our Palestinian brothers in Gaza.
It's a source of frustration for this shopkeeper who says he can't get hold of the local alternative products customers are demanding.
I think the boycott is all wrong. Suppose we never again bought anything made by America and Israel. Would they become hungry? Would they become beggars? These are big countries. They have their hands in everything. A boycott of food and drink is pointless.
Calls for boycotts launched by the Palestinian BDS movement have focused on companies alleged to profit from the occupation of the West Bank. The current boycott is less structured.
The Arab street is finding ways to support the Palestinians in their resistance, even indirectly, like boycotting spontaneously when people found out that there are certain brands that support the current war.
But while boycotts in the Arab world might be increasingly popular, in many Western countries such as France, Canada and multiple US states, calls to boycott Israel are illegal. Israel, for its part, has long maintained that boycotts targeting the country are anti-Semitic.
Now taking a look at the markets, a slightly mixed open for Asia-Pacific markets after Wall Street went into the Thanksgiving holiday with a rally, but all three major indexes currently trading in the green. Japan's markets are closed due to a public holiday. Meanwhile, oil fell for a second day after the surprise delay to the upcoming OPEC Plus meeting, which has dented hopes that the cartel would intervene to tighten supplies. And we end with Spotify really cracking down on what it calls bad actors. Now, there's been frustration in the music industry because until now, a sound that features 30 seconds of white noise or rain sound, for example, has been worth the same as an artist's original music track. And that has made for pretty disproportionate revenue opportunities on the streaming platform, and Spotify is really trying to solve that. It announced it's increasing the minimum track length for functional noise recordings to 2 minutes and valuing streams of sounds at a, quote, fraction of the value of music track streams. Now, we don't know exactly how much that will be yet, but Billboard reported they'd be worth 1/5 of their music counterparts. Sharon.
Music to the ears of some, Cammy. Thank you so much for that. That's Cammy Knight joining us there from our business desk.